Wala na, hindi na madadala sa plenaryo. Dismiss na sa committee.
Tama.
They have been dismissed in the committee. So wala nang plenaryo. Ang hinihintay na lang namin, yung impeachment laban kay Vice President Sara.
I see. O so malinaw yon para sa inyo, kung binasura na.
Binasura
Good as
na yan
dead
ng committee.
Good as dead.
Binasura ng committee. Good as dead yan.
Yeah,
Oo.
okay.
So ibig sabihin,
Maaring the only thing that the plenary can do is we will submit to the plenary for a plenary vote. Ano? Kung mangyari man yung plenary vote na yan, hindi na mananalo yan. Wala na.
but
It's good as dead.
Okay.
is this something that you have already expected, Kong?
In-expect ko na yan noon pa eh. I mean, in fact, nung I was interviewed, sabi ko hanggang Friday na lang yan. Ngayon nga, umabot pa nga ng Wednesday. Hanggang Friday na lang yan. That will not even prosper. Sapagkat nakikita ko, binabasa ko naman yung dalawang klaseng impeachment as I read the charges on the sufficiency in substance. Wala talaga eh. Yogi, wala. O, Chiki, wala talaga eh. Kahit anong gawin mo, wala eh. It's all hearsay. Of course, allegations yan, no? And sabi nila, hindi naman pag-uusapan yung mga talagang katotohanan yan, authenticated records niyan, kapag dumating na yung talagang sa plenaryo at dumating na yung Senado para pag-usapan at talakayin na yan. Pero hindi eh. Sa committee pa lang, hindi lang dapat allegation ang pag-uusapan dyan. There should be authenticated records. There should be evidences. There should be factual evidence that should be shown to us.
Oo. Kung Denny, si Chiki Vergel po ito, kung
Yes.
ang problema po ay kakulangan sa ebidensya o maybe in this case walang ebidensya, sa tingin po ninyo, ano po ang tingin nyo sa idea na dapat hindi outright dismissal? Instead, magkaroon dapat ng masusing pag-iimbestiga?
Alam mo, totoo lang, masusi na nga yung binigay namin eh. I think I even commended the chairman of the Committee on Justice for being so kind to the endorsers of the complaints, di ba? I mean, ako, gusto kong tapusin na ito dahil wala man talaga mangyayari. Sabi ko nga, it's an exercise in futility. That's why I walked out. You know? It's actually a waste of the people's money. Wala talaga mangyayari kahit na ano pang gawin dyan. I believe that all of the members of the Committee on Justice have been set na talagang patayin na itong impeachment laban sa ating Pangulo.